Since the recording isn't on yet. Wait, is the recording on? Oh yeah. Guys, I think I'm in love with the Blaze Blue. To be honest, I thought it's only on PC. No, there's actually a free version of it. Unlike, sorry to say that, I'm probably gonna get banned. But there is a free version of it. It's like a real-time action game. To me personally, I use Noel because it's too fucking OP. Okay? But I wanna show you a combo I just learned. I invented. I call the falling leaf remover. The Scorching Cannon on that one is optional. I can use it, but I just don't want to use it. There. To be honest, you only probably use this when the enemies in the air. Because when, look at this. Like I said, the Scorching Cannon is shooting optional, so you could do it without the Scorching Cannon. I haven't even unlocked Valkyrie Dance yet. That's fascinating. I thought this was just a prank when I downloaded it. I thought it was just gonna be an app that, crashes my phone. But it's a legit working app. But why does it look like it can only be played from a fucking PS2 or a PSP? It looks so fucking pixelated, but I won't complain. Yes, you could download this in the Play Store if you have enough gig. To be honest, for a 1 gig game, I think this shit is worth it. I used to be addicted to Touhou Lost World, but I don't think I'm addicted no more. I think I might just delete it, give it away. I think I might just delete my account on Touhou Lost World and give it away. Who wants the passcode to my account on Touhou Lost World? It has a lot of heroes. I don't even want to use it. Waste of gig. Why does the Scorching Cannon actually look like that? Why does it look like a fucking shotgun? Oh no, it's a fucking pistol. To be honest, a revolver is a hand cannon. So I want shooting thingy. Why did they activate that? I'm a fucking dumbass. That's all I wanted to show you. Yes, bye.